let's see if we can jumpstart your English habits and help you learn a few business English phrasal verbs over the next 6 days. You want to try this challenge with me? Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, the best place to become confident in business English step by step. Last time we talked about creating a good environment that makes it easy to become confident in English. And we started with the 2-minute rule to see that yes, you can do English every day, even if you're busy. If you just start small to build those habits, feel good about yourself, and get that positive momentum going. And today, I'm going to give you the exact plan plus all of the resources that you need for free to jumpstart your good English habits. Now, I've created this free 6-day plan with all of the activities and exercises and the tools that you need to create that good environment to do English every day and to see that, yes, you can do that. And I'm going to demonstrate the plan in this episode, and then over on social media like my LinkedIn profile and Facebook page, I will remind you each day to do these activities. So if you haven't gotten the plan yet, go to ChristinaRobuffet.com/habits and get your plan. It's totally free, and I would love for you to do this with me. All right, day 1. We could even start today. Today, you're just going to prepare to make it easy for you to do English each day this week. Go and get your plan on ChristinaRobuffet.com. Decide where you will do these activities this week. Maybe at your desk, like my desk back there. Maybe at your dinner table. Maybe in your favorite chair. Decide where you'll do it. Collect the things that you'll need this week. So you'll need a pen. You'll need some flashcards, which you can create from paper. And you'll need, of course, that plan that I created for you. So print it out or download it and put it in your learning space, the place where you're going to learn. And then on your 6-day English Habits Starter Plan, write your intention for tomorrow. And this is, I will read Christina's story at the time and at the place. And then check off day 1 on the checklist that I prepared for you and congratulate yourself because you have taken the first step to becoming good at business English. And that's all you have to do for day 1. I'm sure you can do it. And then say, hey, I did it. Good for me. On day 2, just read the story that I wrote for you. And that's it. That's all you have to do. That is your goal for day 2. Just read that story. And if you want something a little more, well, underline the phrasal verbs that you find. Write your intention for day 3, which is I will create my flashcards at time, at place. Collect your blank cards. Get your pen, get the story, and prepare for the activity of day 3. And of course, feel good about yourself because you completed day 2. That's 2 days in a row for you. On day 3, you are going to create your flashcards. So you'll take one card and just write one phrasal verb on each card from the story. Just the verb, like right there. And then you can also print or download my definitions of the phrasal verbs. They're in that 6-day English Habits Starter Plan. And you'll need those for day 4. So prepare for day 4. Put everything. Put your cards with your phrasal verbs. Put your pen and put the definitions in your learning space and write your intention for day 4. And then again, feel good because you have just completed day 3. That's 3 days in a row. You're on a roll. Now, for this episode, I just wanted to go through days 1, 2, and 3. We're starting small so that it's easy for you to do. Then on Friday, I will check in with you and demonstrate days 4 through 6 so that you can do those days. And just, stick with me for these 6 days. Together, we're going to jumpstart your good English habits this week. You can become confident, like for real, even if you're busy and even if you had difficulties learning English in the past. You saw the activities for days 1, 2, and 3. They're super short. I have, got everything explained for you step by step, clearly and concretely over in the 6-day English Habits Starter Plan. It's at christinarobuffet.com/habits, and you can start with day 1 today. And then, of course, follow me on LinkedIn and Facebook. The links are below so that I can remind you to do your activities each day. And we're going to jumpstart your English habits this week. And I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you next time.